Number 1. 1975 Chevrolet pickup, $7,000, Waldport, Oregon. This 1975 Chevrolet pickup is a performance-focused classic featuring a heavily modified 355 cubic inch small block V8 that has been balanced and blueprinted for strong acceleration and muscle truck character. Paired with an automatic transmission and backed by a clean title, it presents excellent mechanical value. The red exterior shows well, but would benefit from a repaint. Most importantly, the truck is rust-free, providing a solid foundation. With low indicated mileage and extensive engine upgrades, this Chevrolet is ideal for buyers seeking hot rod potential rather than a Concours restoration. Number 2. 1980 GMC 1500 short box four-wheel drive, $6,800, Selah, Washington. This lifted 1980 GMC 1500 short box four-wheel drive is a rugged square-body truck with aggressive styling and numerous aftermarket upgrades. It is equipped with a newer V8 engine, automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive. Although the truck is currently not running and the odometer is inoperative, it carries a clean title and offers strong potential for restoration or customization. The price reflects its condition, making it an appealing project for enthusiasts. Number 3. 1983 Chevrolet S10 pickup, $9,500, Oregon City, Oregon. This extensively modified 1983 Chevrolet S10 is far from a stock compact pickup. It is powered by a high-performance 383-stroker V8 featuring dual Edelbrock carburetors, a high-stall torque converter, and a Detroit locker rear differential. Built for performance, it also includes racing seats with a 5-point harness. With a clean title and strong running condition, this S10 delivers serious muscle car performance in a compact truck platform. Number 4. 1979 Chevrolet K10 stepside, $10,000, Mesa, Arizona. This 1979 Chevrolet K10 stepside represents the final years of classic square-body design. Equipped with four-wheel drive and a manual transmission, it offers an engaging and authentic driving experience. The truck runs well and has received recent maintenance, including a new battery, spark plugs, and updated wiring. Aftermarket tube bumpers enhance its off-road appearance. While cosmetics are described as fair, this K10 remains a solid driver and a strong candidate for light restoration or continued use. Number 5. 1982 GMC 3/4-ton pickup, $6,300, Denver, Colorado. This 1982 GMC 3/4-ton pickup is a dependable and practical classic truck powered by a strong-running 6.0-liter V8 engine. It features an automatic transmission, a clean interior, and brand-new tires. Despite higher mileage, it remains mechanically sound and includes emissions documentation. This GMC is best suited as a reliable work truck or daily driver rather than a show vehicle. Number 6. 1965 Chevrolet pickup, $6,500, El Paso, Texas. This 1965 Chevrolet pickup remains largely in original condition and retains much of its factory character. Powered by a V8 engine paired with a manual transmission, it offers an authentic mid-60s driving experience. The body shows minimal rust, which is increasingly rare for trucks of this era. While the engine requires minor attention, included original gauges and updated wiring add value. This truck is well suited for a sympathetic restoration or preservation-focused build. Number 7. 1941 Studebaker 1-ton Stakebed, $3,800, Roosevelt, Utah. This 1941 Studebaker M15 1-ton Stakebed is a rare and historically significant pre-war work truck. It is powered by a flathead 6-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Showing under 20,000 original miles, the truck retains a straight and solid body with exceptional originality. Parked since 2018, it will require full mechanical recommissioning. With its completeness and clean title, it stands out as an excellent restoration candidate. Number 8. 1986 Toyota Pickup, $5,000, San Luis Obispo, California. This one-owner 1986 Toyota Pickup is a highly respected compact truck known for long-term reliability. Powered by the legendary 22R engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, it shows just over 100,000 original miles. Features include working air conditioning, a clean interior, and an aluminum camper shell. Sold as is due to title and emissions considerations, this Toyota remains an excellent survivor and a strong value among vintage Japanese pickups. Number 9. 1950 Ford F6 cab-over engine, $23,000, Overgaard, Arizona. This 1950 Ford F6 cab-over engine truck is an impressive example of mid-century commercial vehicle design. Powered by a Mercury flathead V8 and a T98 manual transmission, it blends classic power with heavy-duty capability. Upgrades include 22.5-inch wheels, electronic ignition, and a well-kept interior. Running and driving well with only minor needs, this truck is ideal for collectors seeking a distinctive vintage hauler or showpiece. Number 10. 1978 Chevrolet Pickup, $950, Chelan, Washington. This 1978 Chevrolet Pickup is a budget-friendly project truck, offering classic square body styling at an accessible price. It features a V8 engine and automatic transmission, but currently needs a fuel pump and has issues engaging reverse gear. With a clean title and complete body, it is best suited for buyers seeking a low-cost restoration or parts vehicle. Number 11. 1981 Chevrolet K20 500 4-wheel drive, $7,500, Scottsdale, Arizona. This 1981 Chevrolet K20 500 is a well-equipped square-body truck featuring factory bucket seats, air conditioning, power accessories, and numerous period-correct options. It is rust-free and an original owner vehicle, which is increasingly rare. Although it is not currently running and carries a salvage title due to a minor front-end impact, its premium specifications and solid structure make it a desirable restoration candidate. Number 12. 1959 Chevrolet pickup, $14,500, Glendale, Arizona. This 1959 Chevrolet pickup is a clean and attractive late 50s classic, powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It runs and drives well and is suitable for regular cruising. The red exterior highlights its timeless styling, and the clean title adds buyer confidence. This truck is ideal for collectors seeking a ready-to-enjoy vintage Chevrolet. Number 13, 1968 Chevrolet K20 four-wheel drive, $13,000 La Pargan. This 1968 Chevrolet K20 is an honest, unmodified, 3/4-ton four-wheel drive truck with genuine history. Powered by a 327 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission, it runs and drives properly. Originally sold as a cabin chassis, it was later fitted with a factory steel pickup bed. With original paint, visible patina, and a complete interior, it appeals to buyers who value authenticity over restoration. Number 14, 1950 Dodge B2 Pilot House pickup, $20,000, Alameda, California. This rare 1950 Dodge B2 Pilot House pickup is an excellent example of post-war American truck design. Powered by a strong-running flathead inline 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, it delivers smooth and dependable performance. The solid steel body, clean interior, and iconic split windshield enhance its collectability. With a clean title and numerous extra parts included, this Dodge is well suited for shows, weekend drives, or inclusion in a high-quality collection.